I promote my business using Google Ads campaign that I've created. I collect the leads data using the campaign. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated, I should know that my campaign is generating leads, what is the leads details and everything. But I can't every time go and check my campaign when the lead is generated, everything. I want that as soon as a lead comes in my business through my Google Ads campaign, on my WhatsApp, I should receive a notification like this. I assign this task to one of my team members, but many times I either receives wrong leads details or else I receive the leads data very late when the lead has lost the interest or there are other errors as well. Now, I want the notification should be instantly forwarded to me with the correct details of my leads. But doing this manually had a lot of problem in my business. Instead of that, now I have created the setup, connected my Google Ads to WhatsApp directly. So hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can create the setup for your business as well. So without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. I am creating this amazing automation using the software Pabbly Connect, which I have been using for years now to create amazing automations. If you're logging in for the first time, first search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab. You will come to their landing page, then sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every month using which you can test out and create this automation setup right away with me for your business. And then if you like Pabbly Connect, like I love using Pabbly Connect for my business, I purchased their one-time plans. I've paid once and got the access of their amazing software forever with unlimited features. You can also have this access by purchasing their one-time plans, and I have a gift for you. You can get additional discounts on top of the existing ones by using the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is the description section. Sign in and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And I've already created the template of this workflow. If you want this free template as well, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. My trigger is Google Ads new lead form entry. Copy this URL using which we are going to create the connection and recapture the response from here that says waiting for webhook response. So now let's connect Google Ads to Pabbly Connect. Open the lead form that you've created. Scroll down till the end. You will come to the option of lead delivery option where webhook integration is optional. Open this integration section. Paste the webhook URL in this webhook URL field. Paste the webhook URL field again, webhook URL again in this key field and remove the data till the slash. This is the key. After entering the details, click on this set test data option because currently the live lead is going to be generated or not going to be generated. So to create the setup, generate the test lead in front of you. It says test lead send. If I'll go back, you will see the response is captured on the test lead in the trigger. That shows the webhook URL is added inside this campaign. Apply this URL from here and your setup will be done. Now for this test lead, I'm going to send a WhatsApp notification on my number. For managing the WhatsApp conversations in my business, I use this amazing software Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to access Pabbly Chatflow, search for pabbly.com/Chatflow. Log into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to set up the entire Pabbly Chatflow account for your business, you can simply go and check out the videos we have uploaded on our YouTube channel where we have taught you how you can create the Pabbly Chatflow setup, what is Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features, how all the features works. You can check out all the video links and all the video added in the description section below. Now, if you want to purchase the Pabbly Chatflow's yearly or one-time plan as well, you can use the code, the same code for the purchase of their plans as well. Okay. Now, using this account, let's send the WhatsApp message. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection section. To have the token, log into your Pabbly Chatflow account, go to the settings option and go towards this API and webhook section. Copy the token from here, paste it on the field and create the connection. I'll select the existing connection from before that I've already created and save the step. Now for the phone number, I'm going to enter my phone number over here because I want to receive the notification. For the message, I'll write over here as, so this is the message I want to send, where it is asking for the name, email and the phone number of my lead. For the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Add a slash previous step is going to appear. This is the first name of my lead. I'll select it from my previous response. Similarly, I'll select the data of the last name from my previous response of my lead, which clearly makes this data mapped. And as now this data is mapped, it's dynamic. In simple words, now whenever a new lead response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In a similar manner, I will map the data of the email address as well as I'll map the data of the phone number of my lead right here. Reach out as soon as possible to maximize the chances of conversion. Name. My name is test user. So I'm going to write over here test user because with this name, the contact will be saved inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Opt-in is yes, incoming block is no, and then simply I'm going to click on the Save Inside Test Request button, where I've received this response, and you will see on my WhatsApp I've received this another message with the first name and the last name of the lead, the same test email address and the phone number. So as I've received the notification, this means now Google Ads is connected to WhatsApp. Now whenever a new lead will be generated through this campaign that I have, automatically Trigger is going to capture the response of that with the details. A WhatsApp message just like this towards my number is going to be forwarded instantly as soon as the lead is generated. So this is how you create the setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, use the code on the left side of my screen. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.